So I just got to my room, a little cabin on the Baja ferries, and it's way nicer than I thought. Let me show you. So I got a little couch. I did get the VIP cabin, so it comes with 2 beds, some snacky snacks. I don't know if those are free or not, but they are there. Second bed. There's even like a little TV in here. And then, surprisingly, bathroom. And it looks very clean. Very nice. Oh, there's even a full ass tub in here. With a shower head. Okay, this is very, very nice. Way nicer than I expected. But I am pleasantly surprised. Well, they are serving food right now. It is 4:23. The ferry doesn't take off till like 7 p.m., but they started loading us up at 4. So, better safe than sorry, but now I can kind of get comfortable in this. Dude, this is a very nice little cabin. Yeah, gonna get comfy, and then I'm gonna go get some food. Okay, $2.29. So this is what you get when you get a bunk bed. There's 4 beds, a little closet, and this is what the normal bathroom looks like. So just a little shower stall. And that is a standard cabin.